Good morning, children. I hope you all are in the best of your health and happy. Children, we have started this series on how to enjoy your summer break. So, in this series, today we are going to conduct two science experiments. In the first experiment, we will show that air is trapped inside the soil. Children, there are so many tiny creatures which live inside the soil, like earthworm and many other creatures. How do they breathe? So we will conduct an experiment to show that air is trapped inside the soil. And in the second experiment, we will show that air is important for the burning process. There is a gas which is called as oxygen, and this oxygen is very important for the burning process. So let's start.
My name is Ayan. Today I am going to demonstrate an experiment which proves that air is present in soil through which creatures who live under the soil can breathe. For this experiment we will be needing spoon, glasses and water and soil. Let's start. Let's take the soil. Now we will add some water and soil. Now you can see the bubbles. Now we'll mix it. Air bubbles show that air is present in the soil. This experiment proves that the air is trapped in the soil through which tiny creatures like bugs and earthworms breathe. Thank you. Hi. Today I am going to demonstrate an experiment in which will show that the air is very useful for burning. There are many gases that are present in air, for example nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen, etc. So oxygen is a gas which we breathe and it is very important for burning process. For this experiment we will be needing candle, a matchstick and a glass. Let's start. For burning the candle, take help from your parents or else you might burn your hand. Now you can see the candle is burning. Now we'll put the glass and cut off the supply of air. Let's observe it. You will see in few minutes the candle will stop burning and it stopped burning. So friends, we observed that the candle was burning till it was open. When we put the glass above the candle, we cut the supply of air and it stopped burning. So this experiment shows that the air is very important for burning process. Bye.